Exactly. But after coming to the battlefield, what happened? He's deviated completely from his goal. So persistency was not there on his goal plan. So that is how we miss our goals. Then we need to be patient. So when we know the time bound, most of us, we lack patience. We cannot persistently work on the same goal for a longer time. If at all we start working on our weight loss, every day we go to workout or gym, we come back and we check our tummy, we check our weight every day, and we feel like, within 1 month, how much did we lose? So what we are
Sure, definitely,
matching
madam.
here, our goal is different, but really is it matching the way how we are approaching towards it really gives that result? No, it's only our expectation. So we need to be patient enough to get the success. Till that point we need to work out on that. Mana pillal దగ్గర కూడా, even along with our kids, with our employees, we feel that like, today I'm patient with them, but still they are in the same way. But how long it is needed to achieve the outcome, that long we need to be patient with them. It's not that I have done my turn of being patient. How much do they need? How much time my employees need? How much time my kids need? How much time my spouse need? Because we need to retrain them. So till that time, till we expect that outcome, we need to be patient enough. Then be ready to learn. And I guess I need not tell you all this point, because you're all experienced and always learning in life. So every time we will be learning in life from everything. Once we close that, no, whatever I decide that is right, I go only in this way, then we may fail, we may achieve, we may not achieve our goals. So we need to keep learning from every failure or every wrong step. Be
But you are
flexible.
telling very, very good points, madam.
Yeah, sir, thank you. So we need to be flexible and we need to be adaptable. So why we need to be flexible? Because at times, the way I decide to achieve my goal, the approach may work, may not work. So in the process of learning, I may come across various kinds of different approaches which can help me to achieve that goal. If at all I'm not flexible, I feel, why should I adopt the way others teach me? Why should I go beyond this? I believe in this, only this works. If at all I'm flexible and I cannot adapt myself, then even at times I may fail in my goal. Here in the Arjuna, what happened in the Arjuna Vishada Yoga? Arjuna was feeling, if at all I kill my own cousins, if at all I kill my own grandpa and these things, what happened to my further family? What will my further family will think about me? This is his belief. But when Krishna guided him, he was flexible and he adapted himself to the belief system or the thinking pattern. That's why he was able to withstand with the dharma. Done. In the same way, even we have to do in our life. Done. Then we'll move
Yes,
with the
done.
next important points, which are very much important. This is the key to achieve goals. So now we have seen the qualities. So what are the key factors that are important for us to achieving the goals are clarity. Always we will be in a gray zone. There is only white or black, but what we do is in a gray zone we will be. So let me tell you something. Suppose today is Bhagavad Gita class sharp at 11. You have to join class by 11, 11:05 the sharp class will start. Okay. So you may have a reason you cannot join by 11:05, but still you want to be called as a very good student
Thank
or
you.
a punctual student to class things. Can it happen?
Yes.
If you join by time, it will happen. If you don't join by time, it will not happen. In the same way in life also, we want our kids to be like, a very disciplined kids. When they need to be disciplined kids, we need to maintain that strictness at point of time, and we should not be flexible. But when they cry, what do? We will become flexible at that time, but later again we have the same expectation that they should learn discipline. Is it possible? It's not possible. So what we want exactly, have clarity about it. Because when you have clarity about goal, you will have clarity about your action. So maintain that clarity in your goal. The next important aspect is challenge. Okay, here we will play a small activity. I want you all to take one chair. Chair and one water bottle, please.
Chair and water bottle.
Or little water bottle, any bottle. Upendra garu
Chair
మీరు
or
కొంచెం
water
మ్యూట్ లో
bottle.
పెట్టుకోవాలి. యా సో కీప్ చైర్. మీ మొబైల్ అయితే ఈజీ ఉంటుంది. Okay, keep chair nearer to you and keep a water bottle on that. Once you are ready, let me know. I have to see. Unable to view your chair and water bottles. Very perfect. Done. So now this is our goal. Okay, this is our goal. So achieve your goal. Take your water bottle. So every step, like, see, this is my goal. You have taken the water bottle. Now what is your feeling? It is simply available.
Ma'am, can you repeat, please?
Yeah. Chair, I have kept your
Yeah,
goal.
I have
Right?
completed the task. That is the feel.
Done. Done. Now let your chair, move your chair bit distance to yourself. Now try to achieve your goal. Can you?
You have to move the bottle from where you are standing, or should you move towards the chair because you have pushed the chair further, right?
Away from us. We have to move that away from us.
Correct. When we move it away, the chair goes far. So if you have to again pick up the bottle, that means you have to step forward.
You should not get up from your chair. Just you have to move your body.
Okay, okay.
Done.
Okay, it is. My goal is now too far.
Yes. Did you achieve it?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
trying to achieve it because I've moved it too far.
Very good. Now, one more step away. Now try to achieve it.
It's being difficult.
Not easy as earlier.
Very good. Now more far away. More far away to that distance that your hands cannot move to that place.
Yes, it is not.
Okay? Yes. Now achieve your goal.
Unless until we stand up and go there,
You
it's
are
not
not
possible.
supposed to move from your place, but you have to achieve your goal.
Maybe I'll pick up a.
Think and do
maybe
it.
I'll.
Do it and show me. Do it and show me. Yes, everyone who have done it successfully, wait, you need to tell how you have done that. You're not supposed to move away from your chair, but you are supposed to take your bottle. That's you need to achieve your goal. Think and do it.
Okay, I got it.
Very good, wonderful. If at all